Hero circle now, see me again. Watch out.
First time I try it.
Reptile?
The reptile.
Whoa. This is a Jamaica food boss, not world food boss. We don't know that. Wha Gwann, everybody. So this isn't a Jamaican thing, this is a foreign thing, but better than that, this is a Florida thing. This is Rustic Inn. They have crab, they have seafood, they have lobster, they have gator, they also have frog legs. Don't know if I will try that, but someone I think, yeah. Cracking.
Tucked along the water's edge in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, the Rustic Inn Crab House has been cracking claws and winning hearts since 1955. This no-frills, old Florida seafood joint is famous for its laid-back vibe and waterfront dining. Step inside and you'll find paper-covered tables, butter garlic aromas, and locals who've been coming here for generations. You also get a pretty good view of flights coming in to the southern runway of Fort Lauderdale International Airport.
Crab, seafood, mahi. They have frog legs. The yard man thing. End up on our frog legs. Gator bites. I'll try gator. They call that, although we're not supposed to talk about that, but they call that river mutton in Jamaica. We don't eat that in Jamaica, it's protected. We don't have gators, we have crocodile. We don't eat that in Jamaica. River mutton. We'll get a joke.
Rich?
Rich? Thank you.
Real rich.
Yeah man, real rich.
So right now we're not practice pour.
No, I haven't even looked at this yet.
What are you drinking?
I'm gonna have a high Corona.
Corona?
I'll have a Modelo.
No Modelo. Corona?
Miller Lite?
Yeah.
Listen, no Corona to your thing.
No, sir. Corona show. Corona done from 2000, brother. So them have frog leg, and one of them said chicken and fish sell about. We don't need to eat no frog leg. No. I don't think we can deal with the frog leg. We can't manage that. So you must try everything, but no, this is a Jamaica food boss, not world food boss. We don't need none of that.
What's up?
You know what I want for appetizers, not for... Thank you.
Over deadhead
Going
back.
with the oysters,
So that
but
is
the
now
oysters
10
come with a
hours.
caveat for them
So
say
it's a 2-day period for
it
me.
will make you sick if you have certain illnesses.
Okay, I have to live over.
Don't worry about that. I've been sick of oysters before.
there's no flight.
Still here.
Leaving.
And we're going with a crab
No,
platter, which
when
is
I land.
almost $100. Here we go.
You got it.
Thank you. Yo, DJI, come.
Which one to start with, the oyster or the river? What? First time I try what?
First time I try it.
Reptile?
The reptile.
This is a swamp mutton, this is a river mutton. No man, go on, brother.
Pull off that.
No. Go on, yo, you take your already, you know, where you dip for?
At least.
I'm not try it, you know. Reptile.
At bottom I eat.
Whoa, buddy, whoa.
Alright, the mix, and the mix I eat.
Wait. Which one? Wait.
Yeah.
I'm gonna subscribe to that.
Yeah man, buzz it to our curveball.
These are the gator. Gator and all that stuff.
This piece look like
Bite them small.
more white meat.
Yeah. I'm making fun of that one.
I got popcorn.
Kinda
Kind of fishy.
it's fishy.
I don't get no fish in this out there.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a little fishy.
at the size of this, it feel like you're heavy, feel like a cement block. That's lovely. We get small oysters in Jamaica, so to have something this massive, chopped already, and just all of that meat inside is what you're getting, coming right out. It tastes fresh, it tastes clean. I don't get any salt and brine or taste of just something that's just, I would have loved. So a little bit of that lime juice on it. And I think this looks like to be like that's a cocktail sauce. You don't even need it. The freshness of this. Wow. Meaty. All you need is the language. Really don't need anything else.
Gotcha.
Man,
Interesting.
it's like a friggin' spoon.
It still tastes good though.
The taste good. The taste don't change. It's just what it do inside the house inside. Now what
Problem
is now
is-
you're gonna put it in a Gator bite.
$40 for it and it's three down, 3 to go. Hold on, I'm something else about this garlic. Ooh,
Garlic.
oh, that bad. That's a garlic and lime. This we didn't need the entire time. Have like a radish or a burning taste in it. But
Spicy.
spicy. Not spicy as in hot, but spicy as in sweet. Try it. I have to try one with the cocktail sauce. This to me, this is a waste of flavor.
Cocktail sauce?
Yeah, cocktail sauce on it. I don't like that. I mean, if
Yeah.
we're going to do that, might as well order a Rockefeller. That's a union, me bottom. But I said the bottom is his.
What that? 200? And
No, this.
respect, Rich. What you drop on my pants, Rich?
What is that? Oh,
Yeah.
that look good. I definitely have one of those.
Rich, don't drop
Oh,
my pants.
thank you, Rich.
Yeah. It's alright.
Thank you. Amanda, coming home, baby. Having them oysters.
Wow.
That was fire. That was good. The beanie oyster them in Jamaica. One thing Jamaica have on this is the sauce. It's the mixture of sauces. It's second to none. Here, it's really just this, or this. All good, bro.
Yo, Mark.
So
That
this-
one I said,
That's a gator bite. Piece of gator. I don't know what part is this. Buzz is our bottom, but
If chicken and fish had a wild cousin, it would be a gator bite.
blood tough. No, I got no taste or anything. Axe apart.
Gator bites are southern delicacy, especially popular in Florida and Louisiana. Made from tender chunks of alligator meat, usually from the tail, which is the most tender part. When cooked right, they're juicy and slightly firm, with a texture somewhat between chicken and fish. Craving a taste of the sea from coast to coast? Meet the crab sampler. 3 incredible crabs, 1 unforgettable feast.
hey, calf, and look, them pull them in one. God, them said they gone. And down.
Hero circle now, see me again. Watch out.
Yo, that's funny as shit.
Watch out. One of many. Taste of freshness on the water.
starting with their world famous garlic crab clusters coated in rich golden garlic butter, bold, savory, and built for serious flavor lovers.
When I was
Gonna be a
league.
problem.
Huh?
When I was in the league.
2 years ago.
You sure about that?
When Chelsea did that. Madrid win last year and the year before that. Barcelona.
Two bars on them. Brooks has a ink have to watch bars on them. Wow. I said that look good.
Blue crab.
Wow.
No, and a Dungeness crab, me did want a stone crab on a block me thing.
Stone crab.
Stone crab me should I get.
That on the stone crab?
No, there's no stone crab here. I want to the
No,
stone
there's Dungeness
and blue.
and what I want?
Queen.
Yeah, what's
It's true, you know,
Sabi in
more than 30 years, I eat that crab bar.
Their world famous garlic crabs are the star of the show. Messy, mouth-watering, and totally worth the effort. But don't sleep on the fried shrimp, conch fritters, or stone crab when in season.
It's still a bottle. But we make a dent. And it just like sweet as you reach. Down into the nitty-gritty.
But which one now, Matters?
That blue.
This crustacean journey takes us north with Alaskan Queen Crab legs. Firm, juicy, and naturally sweet, straight from the icy Bering Sea. This is Alaskan Queen Crab. Wild, untamed, and prized for its rich, meaty legs. The flavor, clean, slightly sweet, firm, yet delicate, a true taste of the Arctic deep. Every bite carries the cold, the danger, and the reward. This isn't just crab, it's a trophy from the edge of the world.
Get in there. Get in there. I easy apart this now, so.
You see all that Dungeness
What about that, man? And big crab them now, so the tedious work done.
Oh, blue, yeah.
Straight crab in town. Oh God, this is nice.
This is the Pacific Northwest legend, Dungeness crab. Sweet, tender meat, lightly kissed with garlic, and delicate balance from the cold Pacific tides.
That's it. That's all for.
The man said he's tapping out.
This is shelling.
That is shellings. This is actual shellings. You have to go tape something when you're done. I know, sir.
I'm not gonna tape on my belly measurement.
The shells are cracked, the butter's gone, and every bite was worth it. From the sweet, delicate blue crab, finger-licking and full of flavor, to the bold, ocean-fresh queen crab from the icy Alaskan Sea, and the legendary Dungeness, tender and rich with every garlicky bite.
Sell it, man.
Yeah, I represent people I have, man.
Yeah, man. That are shellings. That
No,
are...
man. King crab, green crab, Dungeness crab, blue crab, any crab. None of them not safe.
Yeah, not left back, man.
I eat that.
Matters wounded them.
Came and saw conquer.
Yeah, man. I touch a glass that way, yeah, man. You're wicked, bro. Ain't bad, you blow.
That is it.
And I beg for overtime and this and that.
That was shellings around Around 10 pound of crab me now.
I have to go delete that.
12. Nope. Big up Rustic. It was real. Crab wasn't all that.
It was all that.
But it was all that.